concatenating strings with the plus equals operator. So it says we can also use the plus equals operator to concatenate a string onto the other end of an existing string variable. This can be very helpful to break a long string over several lines. Note, watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add spaces between concatenated strings, so you would need to add them yourself. Okay, so we're using the plus equals operator, which previously that means that whatever's on the left hand side automatically gets put onto the right. It's assigned, yeah, and you add it to whatever you have on the right as well. So it says var, so this is the first string, and then it shows you using the plus equals operator, and this is concatenated. So oh, I see, because you've equaled this to the string, you don't have to rewrite this whole string out. It says build my string over several lines by concatenating these two strings. This is the first sentence and this is the second sentence using the plus equals operator. Use the plus equals operator similar to how is shown in the editor. Start by assigning the first string to my string, then add on the second string. So it says only change code below this line. So it says start by assigning the first string to this, so let's put equals, let's just put this whole first string including a space, and then we would do my str plus equals, I think it is, yeah, plus equals, and then you put the second string, yeah. Close it out. That should be what it's asking you to do. Complete.